In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color theme on a Google account on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so go ahead and open up Google on your mobile device and sign into your account if you haven't. Then from here, click onto user profile. From here, navigate lower and click into settings. And now once we're inside settings, scroll down and search for customize search widget so we can change colors and transparency here. So click onto that. Then you can see I've currently got mine on my system theme, but if I want to do a light theme, I can, or a dark theme, device, or a custom where we can change the colors to whatever we like. And also if we scroll down, we can add transparency or not. Also shortcuts, we can translate song, search, and others. From here, just go ahead and click on the add button. That's going to change the color theme on a Google account inside your mobile device.